Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just an SUV. It's a declaration of war on the laws of physics and financial responsibility. The 2026 BMW XM Label is here, and it's Bavaria's most unapologetic machine, yet a 7-100-30-8- horsepower plug-in hybrid super SUV. It costs nearly $200,000. But what makes it special? Is it the hand-stitched Merino leather? The 23-inch wheels? Or the fact that it's faster than some supercars? Stick around, because today we're dissecting every nut, bolt, and luxury feature of BMW's wildest creation yet. For 2026, BMW axed the basic XM. Now, the only option is the full-fat XM Label, and it's packing serious upgrades. New individual frozen tanzanite blue metallic paint, because ordinary colors are for ordinary people. Jet black 23-inch M-Light alloy wheels, because small wheels are for hatchbacks. 3 new merino leather interior themes, with brown or black accents, because your throne should match your ego. Faster charging, now at 11 kilowatts, up from 7.4, meaning less waiting, more dominating. Production starts this August, so if you want one, you better have deep pockets and a need for speed. Let's talk money, because this thing costs more than a house in some cities. The 2026 XM Label starts at $187,000, and there's no cheaper version anymore. But for that obscene price, you get 23-inch M-Light alloy wheels, because anything smaller would be embarrassing. Full merino leather interior, because pleather is for peasants. BMW's latest curved display with iDrive 8.5, because buttons are so 2010. Every driver assist feature BMW makes, because even gods need backup. No compromises, no excuses, just the best. Or, you could buy 2 X7 South and still have money left over. Under the hood lies BMW's most insane hybrid powertrain yet. Twin turbocharged 4.4-liter V8, because naturally aspirated is too polite. Electric motor adding hybrid thrust, because why not? Total output, 738 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Performance? Ludicrous. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. But we bet it's closer to 3.2. Top speed electronically limited to 155 mph or 177 with the M driver's package. The 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission shifts like lightning, and the MX Drive AWD system ensures you don't just spin tires, you dominate tarmac. Oh, and it has rear wheel steering for tighter turns, because parking a 5,000-pound beast shouldn't be a nightmare. Now, you might think a plug-in hybrid would be efficient, and you'd be half right. Battery, 25.7 kilowatt hours. Electric range, 31 miles EPA rated. Charging speed, now 11 kilowatts, up from 7.4. Fuel economy? Well, last year's Label got 12 mpg city and 17 highway. Yes, really. But in our real-world test, it hit 20 mpg on gas alone, or 49 mpge with electric driving. So, is it efficient? No. Is it better than a normal V8? Sure. Will you care when you're flooring it? Absolutely not. Step inside, and this is where the XM justifies its price tag. Seats, vintage-look merino leather with heating, cooling, massage, and memory. Headliner, geometric patterned Alcantara with fiber optic lighting, because sunroofs are overrated. Audio, optional Bowers & Wilkins diamond surround system, 1,475 watts, because your ears deserve luxury too. Tech, curved display, 12.3-inch digital cluster plus 14.9-inch touchscreen. iDrive 8.5, voice control, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, And over-the-air updates cargo space? 18 cubic feet behind the seats. Because you can't have it all. This isn't just an interior. It's a penthouse suite on wheels. Safety? You're covered. Standard. Automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. Available. Driving assistant professional, adaptive cruise, lane centering, traffic jam assist. Warranty? BMW's got you. 4-year, 50,000-mile basic and powertrain warranty. 6-year, 70,000-mile hybrid battery coverage. 3-year, 36,000-mile complimentary maintenance. So yeah, it's expensive. But at least BMW stands behind it. So who buys an XM label? The person who says, I want an SUV, but I also want supercar speed. The BMW fanatic, who must have the most exclusive M car. Or the person who just loves spending money. Alternatives? Lamborghini Urus Performante, more flash, less tech. Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, more precise, less opulent. BMW XM M6OI, more practical, way cheaper. Final thoughts? If money is no object, and you want the ultimate BMW SUV, this is it. If you value practicality or sanity, maybe look elsewhere. Drop a comment. Would you take this beast? Or is it just too much? Smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Crazy Auto Premiere.